came in to put together some more videos for you, and what I was looking at is our Atlantic arches from Towers in a Box. When we first got Majestic, we'd already been planning on putting an arch on Utopia. And when we had some custom ones looked at and done, the aluminum welder that was going to put it together was going to charge us like $7,000. Crazy for one arch. It was like heartbreaking because I just didn't see how we could afford it. So a friend, in talking to him, was at the boat show, and after the Annapolis boat show, they Atlantic Towers had a deal for towers, and we were able to get 2 towers in a box, one for Utopia and one for Majestic, delivered to us for the price of one, and get the boat show price for the Schedule 80 aluminum, which we were thrilled with. So I'm going to just throw some things out here with this for you and show you how we did it. Now, I don't have every step and detail of the installation because Jay put them on. He and Isaac did it after I went to Maryland to work at the hospital up there for a little while. But I'm going to show you the highlights of it and show you the results. Jay did most of it by hand. Isaac helped him get it in position. He used the mizzen halyard to hold it as he marked where he was going to put the bases that hang on to the sides, and I'll show you that. All the bolts and parts that you need come with it. And the main tip that we got from other people was to use a trucker strap, a pull-down strap, like a come-along kind of thing, to keep pressure on the arch while you're doing the measuring and the installation. Then when you let it go, when it's all connected, it puts a little bit of outward pressure on the feet that hold it up, and that gives you a more secure tower mount. Ours has been perfect. We did have them, just in our own ignorance, add the dinghy davits to the towers, and that wasn't necessary, we found, because we use an inflatable dinghy, and the inflatable dinghy was too close to the boat with just the tower positioning and their brackets. They offer extension pipes that you can add to the top of it for quite a bit of money. Jay was able to, because of his construction know-how, get 2 Schedule 80 aluminum pipes, 2 inches in diameter, drill through them in the appropriate place and the appropriate place on the arch, put the stainless steel bolts and washers and nuts all on there, and then add our dinghy davit blocks and raise our dinghy up, and it goes up perfectly. So we can raise her up high and tight when we're sailing. When we're just at the dock or hanging out in one location, we use it to raise the whole dinghy up just out of the water to keep the bottom clean. And when we travel, we take a Honda 20 that we use to propel our 12-foot inflatable. We put it on the back rail, and we use the dinghy davits and the block to raise that motor up and put it on the back rail. So that works really, it's a great back saver. So I'm just going to show you these highlights, throw some pictures in. If you have any questions, please hit us up, or go to Atlantic Towers, towersinabox.com, and talk to them. But they're a wonderful crew of people. They were very expedient in getting us our towers so we could get on with our installation. And we have our so we have 2 towers. On Majestic, we have our solar panels on top of the towers. Utopia has a hard top over the cockpit, so we have our panels up there. But it worked perfectly to put the panels there, run the wires through to the engine room. It's all very close, and still be able to use it to raise our dinghy, etc., etc. Fishing pole mounts and all that kind of thing. So, cheers. If you don't have an arch, take a look at our pictures. I really don't think it detracts from the lines of the boat. Our boats are charter boats, work boats, and it just makes it a more comfortable situation from living aboard. Anyway, cheers, have a great day. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, And you're doing a great job. We're up to like 216 or 17 subscribers today. So thanks a lot, and cheers.